This is the Sony A6000 camera. Let's see how to set up the custom 2 button to increase or decrease the brightness of the LCD. Okay, so power it on. Let's try it first. So custom 2, it has manual and sunny weather. That's the dimmer and that's the brighter. So that's the higher brightness and that's the lower brightness. Okay, so press the menu button and go to the second tab, go up and to the right, go down and go to the 6th page. So second tab and 6th page, and here we have custom key settings. Enter custom key settings, and I want to set custom to C2 to monitor brightness. So enter custom button 2 and search for monitor brightness. Is almost the last one. Not set, that's the last one, and then it begins from the beginning. Okay, so monitor brightness, that's set up for custom button 2, and that's it. Now you can increase your brightness in a bright location or decrease the brightness to save some energy from the battery in a darker location. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.